Okay, ma'am. So thank you so much for joining the session and welcome to the channel. Ma'am, I would like to know about yourself. Can you please introduce yourself for my audience?
Yes, I would love to introduce myself, and thank you so much for having me on your channel. So, as you know, my name is Smriti Saru.
Yeah.
And, I live in Gurugram. I hold a bachelor's degree in arts. I am happily married and blessed with two wonderful children, a daughter and a son. I am a homemaker as well as a YouTuber running two channels. The first is Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation channel. I share meditation content there. And the second is Pure Knowledge for English Beginners, aimed at English beginners. And as far as my hobbies go, I love working on both of my channels. So this is me in a nutshell. Thanks for listening.
Ma'am, it was an amazing introduction. Thank you so much for this beautiful introduction. And ma'am, I love that you mentioned that you have two channels. On one channel, you are uploading the yoga related content, and on second channel, it is an English related content. So, how did you get inspired by yoga? Do you want to share why it happens by?
Definitely. But please introduce yourself also. I want to love something and know about you.
Yeah, sure, why not? Thank you so much for asking about myself. My name is Deepali and I'm from Maharashtra. I live in a very small village in Amaravati and I'm a farmer's daughter. And I love to learn new languages. Apart from this, I love to read books and learning new languages is my hobby. And I also love to serve water to birds. And I'm learning languages of animal as well. So I love to help people and I love to be a kind person. Yeah.
You are so unique, and it's really great to know about you. And yeah, so your question was that how I get to know about yoga and why I created my channel, especially Sahaj Yoga. So actually, my family and I are practitioners of Sahaj Yoga meditation, and we have been practicing since 2003 and benefited tremendously. So I wanted to share this with all that Sahaj Yoga meditation is a unique form of way of meditation. So that's why I created my channel. And I wanted to tell with all that it is completely, absolutely free. You no need to struggle in the search of true meditation. That was the main motto behind it. So that's why I created my Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga meditation channel.
Oh my god, it is amazing, ma'am. Actually, these days everyone is busy to scrolling their phone and they are busy to having the fast food. And in such a fast era, you are following something different and which is related to health, and that is actually inspiring our today's generation. That actually is needed, right? So, do you have any message for our youth that why they should start yoga and what is the benefit of starting yoga as well? Because these days we don't do anything without having any benefits. We always want outcomes from it, right? Yeah.
My message is this for youth because there are stress all over there. There are lots of stress all over their life, especially for youth. If they are working somewhere, or if they just studying, they are just a student. They have lots of distraction in their life, and especially in this social media era, they have lots of distraction and they can't find their true calling. They search, they try to find that inner peace everywhere. So just because of that, I created my channel because I watched lots of multiple videos, especially on this, that people was just trying to find true meditation. And sometimes they meditate, they sit, they focus, they do different kind of rituals and exercise. hard exercise, but they don't find their inner silence. And that was the main reason I wanted to tell with all that here in Sahaj Yoga, you can find your meditation spontaneously. And you don't need to go anywhere. You can very easily can search on Google, on Instagram, on YouTube. There also you have to just write Sahaj Yoga by Srimataji Nirmala Devi. Srimataji is founder of Sahaj Yoga meditation. So you can very easily can search it. And if you are really interested, you can visit to my channel. There you can find all the information, and you can find every information on Google too. So this is my message for you.
Actually, it is amazing that you have mentioned why we should do yoga, right? You have mentioned that stress. These days, youth especially, they feel stress. There's such a fast lifestyle. And we always waste our timing online, right? We don't manage our time well. And it is not good for our health as well, and mental health especially. And also distraction. Social media is distraction, and because of that, we are not doing yoga, meditation. And ma'am, you have also mentioned that when we do yoga, that time we feel peace. And so we feel we are mindful about the things. Even ma'am, you also mentioned that people actually do ritual things. And ma'am, what's about the English channel? Why did you start the spoken English channel as well? What inspired you to start your spoken English channel? Yeah.
We all know how important is English because it is a universal language, and our official language also. Everywhere is English. So that's why 2 years ago, I started my English journey, and miraculously it started actually. My daughter and I had an opportunity to translate Srimataji, her speeches from English to Hindi. And then after completing that job, I remembered my desire to learn English. And then I watched lots of conversational videos, and I put all my hard work. I downloaded some apps like Duolingo, Namaste English, and then I subscribed Ace Fluency. That's how I learned little bit of English, and then I realized that I should share this knowledge also. So that's why I created a second channel.
It is an also profound thought that you have, that you did not only say that knowledge to yourself only, but you are just spreading that knowledge to others. That will definitely help others, and they will also learn something from your age. And you also took some sessions on some applications as well. Oh my God! It means that you actually have that guts, and you actually want to become a fluent speaker. Some people only say that they want to become a fluent speaker, they don't do anything, but you are doing that. You are taking actions as well. Yeah. So, yeah, ma'am. I want to know that how is your experience while conducting these one-on-one sessions? Do you want to share your experience on Skype sessions or maybe on another platform? How do you feel now? Do you feel confident when you speak English with people?
Yeah, I always feel confident because why? When we all are learners. I don't about you because you are so fluent, because I am a learner. So whenever I make any mistake, I don't feel shy. Not at all, because it's a part of our journey. So we have to be confident every time. If we make mistake, if we don't get any word, so that time we can switch to our mother tongue, maybe Hindi or whatever anybody's mother tongue. They can very easily switch. And just like that, I always feel so confident. Whenever I make any mistake, I try to rectify and mitigate all the mistakes. And I don't want to repeat that mistake. For that, I watch my videos over and over again. So that's how I never try to never make old mistake again. I try to. We always make new mistakes. Should not.
That you have mentioned that you actually learn this language because you want to learn this language. You only did not learn this language. Only give me one way. Only language. You have mentioned that mistakes are the part of journey. You will make lots of mistakes, but
Yes.
we must stay confident because ultimately, even you are speaking wrong English, and if you are speaking it confidently, so no one will focus on your mistakes. They will definitely only focus on your confidence, that how you are speaking this language. And mistakes are acceptable in our country as well because we are not native speakers, and that is what we are here, right? So, how is your experience, ma'am? Overall on these applications that you are conducting sessions, they are also uploading your videos on channel. So, are you enjoying this process?
Yeah, I really enjoy. I generally connect with a person daily, and every time I learn. Whenever I connect with a person, I always learn something, and when I upload that, I feel so satisfied from inside that I am doing something very good and protective. So that's how.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
That way that you are connecting every day with the co-learners and you are learning something different, right? And I also believe that they are also learning something different from you. Like you have unique hobbies and personality as well. I am feeling so glad that I connect with you because I have never connected with a person who love yoga. I have connected with people, lots of people who started a YouTube channel and they are working on their communication, but not on this. This is something that makes you very unique. Oh my God, that's amazing. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and your personality is also so unique. And
oh my God, you made my day today. Ma'am, you are from Gurugram, right? So can you please tell me some popular places that I can visit your place?
Yeah, as you asked about Gurugram, so it is called City of Malls. And there are lots of malls like Ambience Mall and different kind of malls are here, and you can come and enjoy like different kind of shopping malls.
Yeah.
And Delhi is also nearby, so you know about Delhi very well. So Gurugram is a diverse people from all part of the country live here, and there's lots of pros and cons of this city. Like we can have it is we can get all kind of medical facilities here. We can find lots of abundant job opportunities here. So this is, this is the only one thing about Gurugram. But there are lots of challenges also staying here. Like we are facing lots of pollution problem, traffic congestion problem. But it's my city, and I love staying here.
Yeah. So, do you like to live in a city or town? Are you from a town or city?
I hail from a very small district, Mandla, from Madhya Pradesh. It's near Jabalpur. But
only like how is it so like?
After marriage, I settled here. Yes, after marriage, I settled here. So my husband works here in an automobile ancillary. So after marriage, we settled here. So, but I love both because now, because I got married when I was just 21. So I enjoyed that part also. And now I am 53. So,
but you don't look like a 50. And ma'am, what about the movies? Do you like to watch movies and songs? Which is your favorite song as well? And you can also tell me the favorite movie name.
My favorite movie name is Maine Pyar Kiya. And
oh my
I
God.
like Yes.
Salman
Yes.
Khan, who is in that movie? I forgot her name. I think Salman Khan, but I don't know her name. That girl name. Yeah, that actor name, actress name.
Bhagyashree.
Yeah, Bhagyashree. Yeah.
All songs are my favorite songs. It have lots of short songs, and all songs are really very melodious. I love the song.
Ma'am, do you know that song Lag Ja Gale?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Do you want I sing that song? Then after you can sing any song that you like to sing. So can I?
Could you please repeat?
Yeah. Do you want I sing song?
Yeah, definitely. Please sing for me. Wow.
Definitely. There is one song Hichki as well, and I also Lag Ja Gale. I like both of these songs. One is inspiration song, and one is like something different, right?
Okay.
First Lag Ja Gale, okay, and then after that song.
Okay.
Lag Ja Gale कि ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद किसी जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले कि ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद किसी जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो तुमको मिली आज घड़िया नसीब से जिन्हें देख लीजिए हमको करीब से लग जा गले कि ये हंसी रात हो न हो. That's it.
Oh, lovely. So melodious. You sung so well.
Actually, I love the song a lot, but like I love singing the songs when I'm alone, and I always try to sing song, and I also upload on my channel sometimes shorts.
Okay. Wow, it's really great. It's lovely quality. Actually, my battery is just drained out. Can we just wrap up this session?
Yeah.
Only
Session right now. And we will connect for your session. You can tell me when you are free, then I will join you. Yeah. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.